Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive, Teva's CEO Richard Francis. Richard, it's great to have you. Thanks for the time. You did field a lot of questions about manufacturing in Israel. It's about a tenth of headcount and manufacturing. Can you talk about how you've been able to manage?
Yeah, well, firstly, Carl, thank you for having me on the show. Before I mention anything about manufacturing, I'd just like to say that Teva's commitment is to make sure the safety and well-being of our colleagues and our employees in Israel is our priority right now and will be going forward. But to answer your question specifically, our manufacturing is unaffected as it stands right now. And actually, to put it in context, 92% of our manufacturing is outside Israel, and 98% of our revenue is outside of Israel. So although it's a very important location for us in our head office, when it comes to impacting our business, we think we're in a good place, and our business continuity plans are robust.
How are your employees doing?
Well, clearly, I mean, it's a very challenging time. Yeah. I think one of the things, I was over in Israel the Monday after the Saturday of the 7th of October, and I think what has stood out to me is, against incredibly challenging circumstances on a personal level, because everybody has been touched by this, the resilience and the fortitude and the commitment to actually come back to work to make the medicines that they believe are so important to helping people in Israel and around the world drives them. And so it's been a very humbling and somewhat inspiring experience to be amongst my colleagues. But it is a challenging time, and our commitment is to making sure their safety and well-being continues going forward.
Talk a bit about the pipeline and execution right now. Where are you seeing, we mentioned one example in the intro, areas of challenge and an opportunity?
Yeah, well, look, I think, we launched the Pivot to Growth strategy for Teva back in May, and I think there was a bit of skepticism around whether we could do that, particularly around the pipeline and Austedo, the product we currently have in the market. I think this is the second quarter where we've grown the business, and the second time we've upped guidance for the year. So I think we're heading in the right direction. We got some momentum, and part of that is our pipeline. And as I said, there are a few people who wondered whether Teva could actually move an innovative pipeline along. And we've shown with olanzapine, with TL1A, as well as ICS/SABA, we're actually recruiting ahead of schedule. And so we're actually recruiting more patients into these studies than planned. So that shows our R&D capability that we've built can execute. And so we're very pleased about that. And that, coupled with the performance you mentioned of Austedo growing at 30%, has allowed us to improve our guidance for the year, but also give us confidence that this Pivot to Growth strategy is actually gaining momentum.
What about M&A? I know it's been obviously big, and it's ramped up again in the sector. I'm curious what your posture is, given some of the debt levels.
Well, exactly. I mean, I think to a certain degree we are constrained by our debt, but at the same time, I think we can do some in-licensing, and we're looking actively on BD to bring in some products because we have a big commercial footprint and we can leverage that more. But I would go back to, the products we have in the market, our CNS franchise of Austedo, Ajovy, and Uzedy, a new product we launched for schizophrenia, have real potential to grow. I mean, Austedo, we're going to do $1.2 billion this year, but we've already forecast that in 2027, that'll be $2.5 billion. So we have a lot of opportunity to continue to grow the revenue of Teva in innovative based on the products we have. Now, our pipeline coming through, olanzapine, our ICS/SABA, and our TL1A, these are products which have the ability to generate hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars. So that allows us to focus our growth organically. We do, though, want to supplement that with some business development activity as and when we see value, and as and when we see it's going to be synergistic for our cost base that we have at the company.